Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to crop video in DaVinci Resolve. So open your project and click on the Edit tab right here. Now click on the video clip. So I will select this one, for example. Now what you need to do, open the inspector panel, which is in the top right corner of the interface, and just scroll down a little bit and you will see cropping. Now you have here sliders for the crop left, right, top, bottom. You can also turn on the softness slider if you want to blur or soften the cropped edge instead of leaving a harsh, sharp cut. So as you can see here, if we crop a little bit and we can move softness, you can see what's going on. So yeah, this is basically it, what you can do with that. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the